How to use Binance Launchpad to farm. Hello everyone, welcome back into my channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can use Binance Launchpad to farm. Well, to farm on Binance Launchpad you need to access the Launchpool feature where you can stake your existing cryptocurrencies like BNB to earn rewards from newly listed projects by depositing them into a liquidity pool. Now to do so, simply navigate to the Launchpad section. You want to log in to your Binance. I'll open up Binance app real quick, and you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to find the Launchpad section. So if you tap on the Binance icon at the top, in your case it might be the profile icon, and tap on more services. If you don't find it directly through the options, you can search it. So you can see under earn the Launchpool option, you can tap on it. Once you tap on it here now, you want to choose a project. You can browse available projects and select the one you want to farm from. So you can see BNB pool, FDUSD pool. So I'll just tap on here on the BNB pool. Now all you got to do is stake your crypto, deposit the required amount of your chosen cryptocurrency. So in my case, I don't have the option right here, but you should be able to deposit or stake. Then you can earn rewards as the project gains traction. You will automatically acquire rewards in the new token which you can claim later. Now why I'm unable to do so, right? There are important points to remember. The one is eligibility. You need to have a verified Binance account to participate in a Launchpool. I do have my account verified, but I haven't done any trade here. So you can see I've been verified but no any trades. I haven't even added funds, so I'm not eligible. But you should be able to get the option to stake your crypto once you open up the project. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.